Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining me for this Tuesday training session on e-signing. My name is Siobhan Baker, and I'm the technical trainer here at Finmo. And I'm going to show how you can send your clients documents to be signed within Finmo. So the first step is to make sure that you have Pro on your account. Whether you are on a subscription or you are on a trial of Pro, you need to have Pro in order to use this feature. So you can click on your team settings tile here on the left-hand side. Click billing on the top right-hand corner, and this will tell you if you have a Finmo Pro subscription. If you don't and you wanted to use the e-signing feature, Pro will also allow you to use other amazing features within Finmo that are part of the Pro subscription, including document collection, as well as the lead calculators. So you can come in here, you can add your credit card, or you can also pay for Finmo Pro using your lender points. The next step is that you have to have a deal within Finmo. So here I have a deal from these two borrowers. So if I click onto this deal, either by the deal number or the borrower's name, it'll take me into their application. And then I can click the e-signing tab here on the top right-hand corner. So here it shows that no documents have been sent to the borrower. So I can go ahead and I can upload documents for them to sign. You can bring in a single document or you can bring in a package as well. So I'm going to add my documents, and this is just a test document that I have. So here I can start filling in the fields that I need the borrowers to sign, and in this case they also need to date the document as well. So I'm going to click on Don Johnson, and I'm going to click on the signature, and I'm going to place that right here. Now, for click to sign, if you chose that as the option as the borrower to sign, basically what it's going to do is it's going to say e-signed by Don Johnson on this date. I actually want him to use his mouse cursor and write in his signature or put in his signature that way. So on the field settings on the right-hand side, I'm going to select the signature type as capture signature. And I'm going to do the same thing for Donna Johnson. So before I get to her, I'm also going to put in a signing date. For Dawn. And then for Donna Johnson, I'm going to scroll back up. I'm going to click her name. I'm going to put in the signature for her. I'm also going to select it as a capture signature for the signature type. And I'm also going to put in a signing date for her as well. Now, because I'm on this deal, if I need to sign this document as well, or if another broker within my team needs to sign it, I just need to go and select that name and also place the signature fields and the date fields. Now, for the broker first and last name, if I actually need to put my name in there, I can use signer name and place that right up here. And then I can do the same thing for the signing date. Now, if there's another broker that needs to sign this document, if they're part of your team, you can actually add them to the deal and their name will appear in this list here. So here I'm going to send the e-signing request, and all parties are going to receive notifications to sign this document. So I'll show you an example of what these notifications look like. So here's the email example that has been sent to Don. Don can click on this button here, and it will take him into the document where he can sign. And it will automatically put the date on there because it's the date of which he signed this document. Donna is also going to receive notification to sign the document. And that will take her to the area where she needs to sign. And I also received notification to sign the document. So within Finmo, you're going to receive notifications that these documents have been signed. You're going to receive notification by email. If you go to your dashboard, you can see the parties that have signed the documents. If you click on your deals, you can see that under e-signing, the documents have been signed. And if we go into this deal and click on e-signing, you can see that it's been completed by all parties. So now you can go ahead and you can download that document and send that to your lender or save it for your files. Now, what if you have a borrower that may have completed an application, but it's not in Finmo, and all you need to do is have them sign documents? As long as there's a deal for them in Finmo, you can have them sign back documents without having to invite them to complete an application. So here I'm going to select new deal. I'm going to select who on my team is working on this deal with me. So I'll just keep it as myself. And all I need to do is just put in the borrower's contact details. Now, I don't have to invite the borrower to create an account. I can uncheck this box because I already have maybe an application for them somewhere else before I started using Finmo. So I can create the new deal, click on the e-signing tab for this borrower, create an e-signing request, and send those documents to that borrower to sign. So she's going to receive an email notification. She won't have to create an account in Finmo if I only need her to sign documents. I can receive those back and it will save within her portal. If you have documents that you need to add for a borrower, so maybe they've already signed back documents, but you have more documents for them to sign back to you, if you just go to their e-signing tab, here is where you can add additional documents. You can also edit existing documents, but please note that if any party has signed back documents or have made changes to a document, you won't be able to edit those documents. You will have to start from scratch. So something to note before sending off the documents is that you definitely want to review your documents before sending them off to make sure that they're complete. At any time, if you run into any issues or if you have any questions, feel free to use your chat on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. That will connect you to our customer success team. And we also have a great help center that has many articles on e-signing. So if I just type in e-signing, you can see all the different articles that we have. We also have videos in here on how you can use e-signing and that will also help you, will help guide you along. So I'd like to thank you so much for your time. And again, let us know if you have any questions or requests. Thank you so much and have a great day.